This is a tutorial introducing you to Onshape. Onshape is a CAD software that's browser-based, so you can log on at home. So create a student account. Unless you've made an account already, then log on. Click Create and select Document. We're going to be showing you how to make a bulb and base, so give it a name. Select the 3 lines and just check that your workspace units is set up in millimeters. If it's set up in millimeters, you are ready to start. You need to select a plane. The plane's what you're going to be able to draw on. And then if you select the cube at the top, you can bring this round to be facing you. Select Sketch and draw a rectangle. Now we need to make a square that's 50 by 50. So if you select dimension and change these dimensions to 50 mil each, then you can select the middle line to the edge, make this 25. This is just centering your square in the middle of your plane, making it easier to work with. Click the green tick. Now we need to add a circle in the middle. So if you right click and select Edit Sketch, you've opened the sketch back up and you can select the circle tool. If you draw a circle and then again use the dimension tool to change the diameter to 20 millimeters. Okay. If you then click on Sketch Fillet, you can select 2 edges and create a fillet with a radius. Automatically 5 mil comes up, that's fine for this. So finish that off with the rest of your corners. And when you're done, click the green tick. Select the area you want to extrude, turning it orange. And click the extrude tool. We're going to change this to 10 mil, green tick, and this will extrude the area you have drawn. That's the first part done. If you click on Insert New Tab, Create Part Studio, you can then open up a new part. This time we're going to be drawing on the front plane. So select the front plane and click the cube to turn it to face you. Sketch. This time we're going to use the line tool. Draw a line that's 75 mils up. Another from the bottom 10 mil out to the right, and another from there 10 mil up. So using the dimension tool to change the length. Right, next you'll need to use the spline tool. Click the top of that last line you drew, and every time you click, you can pull the line in a different direction. When you finish, you can double click. We're trying to make a bulb shape, so we're trying to make half of a bulb. If you want to edit your part, deselect the spline tool so you have a free mouse, and then you can use these little dots to adjust your shape. When you're happy, green tick, select your shape and click the revolve tool. Deselect the red. Select that central line and it will revolve the shape you've drawn around that center line. Green tick if you're happy. We need to make this bulb hollow so it's like a light bulb. So shell tool, change the thickness to 1.5 and this will hollow out your bulb. Okay, so that's your bulb complete. Now you need to assemble your parts. So part assembly and insert, both of your parts will appear here. Slide both of your parts into your assembly and then click the green tick. You need to join them together. So select parallel mates and you want to select the outside ring and the inside ring and join them together. Now you have joined your parts. Well done. If you want to edit anything, you need to go back into the part assembly. So here I'm going to add a filleted edge, 5, maybe 3 instead. That looks good. You could add a chamfer if you like. Whatever you do in the part studio will show in your assembly. Well done, you finished. To save, just go back to the main menu and it will automatically save your work.